Hi folks and welcome to my channel. In today's video I show you how to insert SIM and memory card in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Fe. In the box you will find the SIM ejector tool. On the left side of the tablet is the SIM tray. Insert the SIM eject tool into the hole and press gently to remove the SIM tray. The tablet is working with microsd memory cards, up to 1 TB capacity. You can put a nano SIM card as physical SIM card. And if you want dual SIM, you have to install a virtual SIM card. The memory card and SIM card must be placed with the contacts facing down in the SIM tray. Put the SIM tray back and press gently. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please press the like button. The SIM management menu will appear. There you can install a SIM and manage SIM cards. Note that there are Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 with SIM, and without SIM only with Wi-Fi. With SIM is Tab S9 Fe X516 model X510 has no SIM. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.